today. Let's make it another great day. Here we go. The month is November. Yesterday was November 16th. If yesterday was the 16th, then today is the 17th. So let's fill this in. November 17th, 2020. Put it in word form. November 17th, 2020. I know that today is Tuesday, so that makes yesterday Monday. Monday, Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Yesterday we had been at school 39 days. If I have 39 and I had one more, can we have 10 ones in the ones place? Nope, we need to trade them out for a rod. So here it comes. How many groups of 10 do we have now? We have 4. And how many ones? 0. So that makes the number 40. So let's make 40 cents. I'm going to do something different. I'm going to do 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, here comes our words. Remember, you should be able to read and write these. His, be, into, she, has, me. All right, expanded form, 97. Will you hear it? 90 plus 7 equals 97. I'm going to put 97 right here. 97, what comes after 97? 97, 98, 99. Let's go backwards now. 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94. Good work, good work. Get our middle number, 41. What is 1 less than 41? 40. What's 1 more? 42. Look at your tens place. Take 1 10 away, and what do you have? You have 31. 31, 41. So 10 more must be 51. All right, 680. I'm going to put 680 here. Look at your hundreds place. Take 100 away, and you will have 580. Look at your hundreds place and add 1 more 100, and you will have 780. All right, we have 393 and 848. Let's see which number is greater, and let's make sure the gator's mouth opens that way. 393 is less than 848.